To use Alarm AI, navigate to Alarm Management, Alarms in the left pane. The Alarms page displays the list of all alarms. On the Alarms page, click on the Alarm Message column of the required alarm from the list. The Alarm dialog box appears and displays the alarm details. Click Foglight Alarms AI. The Foglight Alarms AI sign-in screen appears. Click Sign in with your Quest account. The Foglight Alarms AI screen displays the alarm details for the selected alarm. This screen displays details such as problem summary, possible causes, troubleshooting, and reference. You can type your query about the required alarm in the message field. You will receive AI-powered suggestions for corrective measures, enabling faster issue resolution. You can interact with the chat to ask follow-up questions or request more details about the information provided. You can click on the response icons to provide your feedback.